Why should African countries borrow so expensive as compared to its peers in other parts of the world? Why should it be? Why should the risk premium for African countries be so different from Europe, America, and other parts of the world? Why should that be?
We are not able to develop because when we get money, we use it to service debt. When we get money, it goes to people whom we are owing. So we are not able to build schools. We are not able to service our children. We are not able to increase salaries of workers. So workers today, we are not fighting for anything around salary. We are only calling for global debt cancellation for African governments and African countries. We are tired.
We are also ensuring that any trade agreement or investment agreement must be inclusive of social protections, worker rights, and any exploitation from Africa mineral resources must be agreed on our terms.
We don't want any debts tied to us, and our future generations need to be debt-free. So cancel those debts. Thank you.